My grandfather is Stanley Power. He started up the company in 1942, 75 years ago. The company has been amazingly successful because of the people that we have. Everything else falls into place. The customers get taken care of. The right things happen.
HOTSTART's focused on key target markets. Those include marine, machinery, railroad, truck, oil and gas, and genset, and then also new markets.
Over my career, I've seen HOTSTART grow quite a bit. Back in those days, we had one building. We've added 2 more since then. Lots of square footage now to do lots of more parts, which helps us with efficiency, which helps us deliver our parts on time to our customers.
The reason customers work with us, first of all, is our high quality. Second of all, the outstanding customer service they get. And that's not only speaking from Latin America, but all the customers we cover all over the world.
By having Tokyo office and Köln office, we are covering our market 24 hours. So when Spokane goes evening and Tokyo wakes up, and then Germany goes evening and Spokane wakes up. So we provide 24/7 customer service.
It's more of a personalized motto that we stick with up here in customer service. Mine is just to make sure that they've got a smile on their face when they get off the phone or after I'm done dealing with them.
Customers in one of our target markets, say railroad, see us just as a supplier to the railroad industry and don't see the bigger picture of all that we do for so many markets all over the world, and become very impressed with our scale and capabilities.
For those who have ever had a chance to be on our shop floor and see the dedication of our employees, I think that's what keeps them interested and keeps them growing business with HOTSTART.
I work to maximize workflow, efficiency, and product quality on the production line. Anything that I could do to make things more efficient lowers the labor rate, which can lower prices for our customers. Our scorecards coming back from a lot of our manufacturers are really high in product quality and on-time delivery.
Day to day, I'm writing test plans, writing test reports, sharing that data with customers. We are also testing some of our customers' applications of our products and providing that data to them so that they know how better to use our products and how we can provide a much better solution for them.
We ship all around the country, all around the world. Very proud of what we've achieved for our 98% on-time delivery. We're starting this new manufacturing facility in Germany, a new product line that is specific to the marine industry.
The benefits is that we are closer to them and we produce right where they are, so the delivery cost will be much less, and also the lead time will be less.
Everybody's excited and happy that what we're trying to do for them. Also trying to be more closer to customers, and we're really doing it rather than just saying it.
We have 200 extremely talented, gifted, fun people that work together well as a team. They care about each other, and then they care about their work and care about customers, and great things happen when we all row together in the same direction.
The way that they treat their employees really gives this place an atmosphere where their employees care about the work that they do. And it really shows on our product quality.
I think some of the reasons why a customer would choose HOTSTART over one of our competitors is that when we send a product out, we've done the research, we've done the testing to prove that it's a good product, that it works the way we intend it to, the way our customers will be using it, and it will work that way for a long time. We also, after the sale, we provide a lot of service, application help, continuing education of the customer.
I believe our customers have come to trust us in doing the best for them. We've always been known for great customer service, and I think that's what they expect, and they continue to get it from us.
We all take great pride in knowing that we're doing a good job for our customers.
We think of our customers a lot like we think of each other. They're like family.
Our vision is to make the world a better place
by bringing the heat
to the world's engine,
energy,
and equipment markets.